In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install custom fonts in Google Docs 2024 quickly and easily. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up a Google Docs document. This can be a new document or one you've been working on before, whatever you prefer. Now direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You should see a drop-down menu that displays the current font. This is often set to Arial by default, but it might be different if you've customized it before. Go ahead and click on this font drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of fonts already set up for use. Right at the top of this list, there's an option that says More Fonts. Click on More Fonts to open up a new window. This is where the fun begins. This window presents you with a vast selection of fonts. There are several ways you can navigate through this selection. You can start by browsing the list just by scrolling down to view more options. If you're looking for a specific font, you can make use of the search bar at the top to type in the name and find it quickly. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring fonts by their characteristics, you can filter them by category, such as serif or sans serif. There's also the option to filter by language, which can be handy if you're looking for something uniquely styled in a particular script. Once you find a font that catches your eye, or even several, you can select them to add to your list. You're not limited to choosing just one. Feel free to click on multiple fonts if you'd like to broaden your typography choices. After you've made your selections, look for the OK button and click on that. This action will add the selected fonts to your personal font menu within Google Docs. Now, if you go back to the font drop-down menu in your document, you'll notice that these new fonts have been added to your list. They're ready to use whenever you need them. From personalizing your documents to giving your projects a touch of creativity, having a broader range of fonts can enhance the visual appeal of your work. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully expanded your Google Docs font collection. This is a fantastic way to customize your documents and make them more engaging. So go ahead, experiment with different fonts, and see which ones work best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.